Hello, and welcome to Self-Help 101, where you are going to help yourself with just a little bit of assistance from here. Today we're going to talk about hiccups. So you have the hiccups, and nobody's around to help you get rid of them. Sure, you could try to stand on your head and drink some water. Sure, you could drop something on your toe and scream, hoping that will help. Some people say take a pack of sugar and suck that down. Here's an easier way, and you're going to do it on your own. I'm going to ask you a set of questions. I will pause between each one so you have time to think. You're going to answer these questions out loud. The object is that we're going to control your breathing by making you think, and that will stop your Shall we begin? Here we go. What did you have for dinner? What did you have for lunch? What did you have for breakfast? What did you have for dinner yesterday? What did you have for lunch yesterday? And what did you have for breakfast yesterday? Congratulations! Your hiccups should be gone. Have a great day.